To my channel. Today I will show you how you change the sliding door handle to a Daewoo Damas with the new brand one, which I ordered it from China. On the other side I already changed it, and the pair of these was costing around $10 US, one from here and one from there. It's nothing complicated. First thing we may have to do, we have to remove this door handle, then we have to remove this panel, and afterwards it has two screws, but I will explain you during during the process. So first I will unscrew the inside door handle. Very easy. It has only two screws. In total will be just 5 minutes work job. Nothing too much complicated. But yeah, I'm also a beginner. I had to figure out on the other side how to change it. Now all this should pop off. Nice and easy. And they are saying that they already work here. The previous owner already worked here. So all we have to do, we have to unscrew. Here normally you should have a small screw, which for a 10mm key it's good. And this is the original screw. I see that here on the upper side it has a screw with a starting head, which does not belong to here. That's why I will put only one, and then I will complete it with the second one. Then to remove, you have to pull this down. Like this, and now it's popping off. So as you can see, this is brake here, and here I have a new one. Okay, now the screws back. Okay, and now it should work. Let's close the door and see. Perfectly. Okay, here up I have to put as well the screw, the second one, as this one. I will replace both of them, but I don't have it here now. I'll go to the shop and search for a few. And this is how it looks from the other side, from outside. From my point of view, it's very nice and very easy, just 5 minutes job. Also not so expensive. As I said, $10 for the pair. I think everything is good. Thank you very much. I hope it's helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That will help me very much to rebuild this old 20 years old car. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.